Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening both workbooks and converting source data into an Excel table. This makes structured references stable. Give key ranges descriptive names, because once done you'll call them in formulas and avoid hard-coded addresses. Next, choose whether you need one-way links with lookups or two-way updates. That decision determines if you use formulas only or combine formulas with data connections. Finally, save both files to a shared location so links can resolve consistently across devices. Now you'll build the actual links. If you have Excel 365 or 2021, prefer XLOOKUP for clearer syntax and bidirectional matching. Otherwise, nestindex and match for flexible left-right lookups. Reference named tables and lock key columns with $so copied formulas stay accurate. When you need dynamic sheet names, use indirect, but be careful. Indirect is volatile and can slow big workbooks. Once your first linked cell returns the expected value, drag formulas or use tables to autofill entire columns. Finish by confirming links update correctly. Save both files and test opening the destination first, then the source, and refresh links via data right arrow edit links. You should run quick spot checks and apply conditional formatting to flag mismatches so issues are visible. If a link shows #ref or stale values, make sure the source path and sheet names match exactly and that named ranges still exist. If necessary, re-establish the link or replace with a Power Query connection for more robust refresh control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.